I'm out here in Saitama and it's actually snowing. They said it doesn't really snow very often in Kawaguchi, but it's snowing now, and this is the first time I ever got to see snow like this ever fall. It's not really cold enough for it to be building underground. You can kind of see it building underground, but this is pretty interesting. I've never seen this before. I wonder if I open my mouth. I guess it's not snowing that much. Ah, okay. But this is pretty interesting. Again, like I said, this is the first time I'm getting to see snow. I'm also getting pretty wet because there's not the snow is coming down with rain. So anyway, we'll see how this all goes. Hope I don't miss my flight.